Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I've got the latest July 2026 security update for the Samsung Galaxy S26 series running One UI 8.5 based on Android 16, and this is in the UK. So in this video I'll show you the update details, the boot up after the update, and install the latest Google Play system update if it has one. So let's get started. So here on my phone I'll go ahead and look for an update, and as you can see there is an update. So this update includes the One UI version 8.5, Android version 16, and this firmware ends with AZG5. Download size is about 555 megabytes, and this is the security patch level 5th July 2026. Now, if you want to go ahead and learn more about this, we can go ahead and tap on this, and this will tell you more about the update. Now, according to Samsung, this is primarily a security maintenance update, focusing on improving device security and the overall system stability. So the July 2026 patch addresses dozens of Android and Samsung security vulnerabilities. Now let's begin downloading the update. As always, the installation time may vary depending on your internet speed and how much battery your phone has. Just remember, you need to be above 30% in order to update your phone. I'll let the update complete and then we'll see how long the installation and the reboot process takes. So the phone has successfully restarted and we're now running the latest software. So let's quickly verify everything. As you can see, if I go ahead and open up settings, software update, software information. So here we're running One UI 8.5, Android version 16, and the version is ending with AZG5, security patch level 5th July 2026. So everything has installed successfully and it has roughly installed in about 3 to 4 minutes. Now let's just check for the latest Google Play system update. So we'll go into settings, scroll down and find security and privacy. Scroll down and find updates. And here we'll find this Google Play system update. As you can see, we are on 1st June 2026. So let's see if we have any update. Okay, it looks like there is no update. And there we have it. So we have the latest Samsung security patch, which is 5th July 2026. And we have the latest Google Play system update, which is 1st June 2026. So if I go ahead and open up all the apps, all looks well to me. There's no lags, there's no stutter. Everything is nice and smooth. And that's it for today's update video. So if you receive this update on your Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra, let everyone know in the comments which country you're in and whether you've noticed any improvements in battery life, performance, or stability. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on bell notifications so you don't miss future Samsung updates, One UI news, and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.